Let's return to Kenya now, where the Supreme Court has been ruling on the result of the presidential election, the disputed presidential election. Let's bring in Malcolm Webb in Nairobi. I believe we have a decision now from the Supreme Court on the victory of William Ruto.
Kenya's Chief Justice Martha Koome has announced here at the court that the 7 Supreme Court judges unanimously agreed to uphold the announcement of the Electoral Commission of William Ruto as the President-elect of Kenya. She went through the petitions submitted by his main opponent, Raila Odinga, and other rights groups, and rejected all of the complaints, citing that there was inadequate evidence and other reasons, and that the court didn't have a reason to nullify the election as it had done 5 years ago when Raila Odinga filed a petition, and the same Supreme Court overturned the election and ordered a rerun. On this occasion, it has not. We're waiting to find out what the reaction will be of supporters of Ruto and Raila, but both of the leaders have said that they will respect the judgment that's coming here from the court.
Just to recap for our viewers who are just joining us now on this news hour, Malcolm, Kenya's Supreme Court has upheld the August 9th election victory of William Ruto, rejecting all the challenges that had been made by his opponent, veteran politician Raila Odinga. This decision just happening in the last few minutes in the Kenyan capital, Nairobi. So is this now it as far as this election is concerned? William Ruto is officially the next president of Kenya?
We'd expect, according to the Constitution, William Ruto to be sworn in as president sometime next week. And both Ruto and Raila had said that they would respect the decision of the court. We'll probably hear from them both in the coming hours. But yeah, it was nearly 4 weeks ago that Kenyans voted. About 3 weeks ago that result was announced. The Electoral Commission announced William Ruto as the winner by a narrow margin. And then 2 weeks ago that Raila Odinga came here, submitted a petition. It was one of several petitions submitted here at the court by rights groups, and the legal process has gone on over the last 2 weeks. We've just had that ruling now, and the court has said it's not ordering a rerun of the election, and that it is upholding the result.
As you say, Malcolm, both Raila Odinga and William Ruto had said they would accept the decision of the Supreme Court. The question now is, of course, whether their supporters, especially Raila Odinga's supporters, will also accept this decision.
That's true, but the supporters definitely will. It depends a lot on what the leaders say. So if political leaders continue to respect the jurisdiction and the judgment of the court, then we could expect calm. Things are quite different to how they were 15 years ago when in the violence following that election, more than 1,000 people were killed, hundreds of thousands of people were displaced from their homes. But this followed election campaigns during which ethnicity was used as a campaigning tool. The violence was, according to the International Criminal Court, deliberately incited by politicians. The campaigns didn't really sound like that this time. There isn't any sign of seeing a repeat of that kind of violence. But of course, we'll be waiting to see how people react later today and staying across that.
Thank you very much, Malcolm, for the moment. Malcolm Webb live in Nairobi, where again the Kenyan Supreme Court has upheld the election victory of William Ruto as president in a unanimous decision after rejecting the claims of Ruto's opponent, Raila Odinga. We'll have more reaction and analysis on Al Jazeera throughout the day here on this story.